Because we got to learn about
Ever had a
measuring.
measure, sir?
That's what we always have to measure. We're going to have to.
Another T.
Another T.
For mass.
Can you use a pencil? I can't spell that. Keep the pencil.
Yeah.
Remember how to measure?
Inches on it, yeah.
This has got inches on it.
That's important. I'm waiting for Thomas. Where's Thomas from?
Here, 2.5 by 3/4.
4/4.
3 and it's got 1/4.
3.5.
Brilliant.
They've started.
Do we write it down,
That
John?
one's too big. Yes, write it on the block.
On here, it's 3.5. We need a pencil.
You need something longer. How about this one?
Another pencil. Write it on the block, how long it was.
What about this? How about this?
I got a picture of it. That was just a random picture that came.
Looks like a 16.
8 and 3.
Okay.
Right, let's get Thomas.
Wow.
Give this to Thomas.
A little more than 6.
Thank you.
One, right? Yeah, that's right. Now here's this side.
Guys, we want you to remember that measuring is very important. They're all so busy. They don't listen to me.
What is it?
That's the problem. You get them started and you can't break their attention.
It's 2.5.
Yeah.
I was going to, Jason, you no. If we say that's 1 inch,
With John Fire and try to sheet.
and I go to halfway. So this side is the same as this. How many pieces have we got? How many have I just put up there? 2. One, 2. 3 lines, but there's 2 spaces.
There.
So what do we call each one of those halves? A half. Isn't it half? And we write that like that. So that's a half. Each one is a half. Now if we divide it again,
Yeah, that's right.
how many spaces have we got?
You have to watch it now.
4.
4. That's right. So we call each one of those 1/4. That's a quarter.
I think that's 5.
No, it's 4. So that's a quarter. We've divided that into quarters. So, and you can see that on your ruler, it's got 4. Now if we divide it again, so 8 and 1/8. Now let's see if we can do it this way.
We're not nimble anymore.
Yeah, where's the fourth one? Yeah.
Three-sided frame.
How many inches is that?
There's one over here that you can't see. It's not what you want.
Okay, this is not just. I know.
That's how long this is.
Measure this one. We had to do it several times.
Okay guys, I'm just going to remind you and give you something else to think about. We used this saw last week, remember?
Oh, yeah,
Yeah. It's in the mitre box. You see it's got that strap on the top here. You know why that is? That's to keep it straight, so it doesn't move. It does help with the sawing. Now I brought some other examples in. This is for cutting a long piece of wood. So it's a big saw. Now you get bigger ones, and bigger ones,
Whoa.
and bigger ones. And
Whoa.
yeah, you can get big ones, but this will cut a log nice and easily, and then you can cut these. You can cut any wood really. Now, just something different. What's this one for?
Oh, that one looks like
What do they call them? What do they call that saw? You'll see it quite a lot. It's called a hacksaw.
hacksaw. Yes.
Hacksaw. And what is it used for? Any ideas? What
like
can
a
you
saw.
cut with it? cut metal.
Oh, to cut
You
metal.
cut metal with that. Any metal. These, you won't be able to cut that saw, but we can cut that T-square.
That's right.
Oh, wow. Wait, that saw is powerful enough to cut through metal?
Oh yes, cut metal
Wow.
easily.
Oh, it's the blade that does
It's
it.
the blade. The blade's very, very sharp and it's very fine. So it takes off a very small piece of metal as it goes through. I should have brought a piece of metal with me. Yeah. Thank you, Mary.
So that hacksaw would be able to cut through that leg of that
Oh,
chair.
that's right, yeah. Now this is called a jigsaw.
Oh,
They
it's
don't use them anymore because they've got machines that will cut up and down. But this will cut the piece, yeah. You see, we'll keep it off the edge so I don't cut.
It cuts downstroke.
It's easier to cut through.
Turn it over, pull up.
See? Now, with a small blade like that, what do you think that leads you to? You can cut a circle. You can cut around and back out again. So you can cut that piece. Today you're coming into hammers as well. And I'd like to warn you to be very careful because you can hit your finger
Oh,
and make a mess.
That
So
hurts.
that hurts.
Yes.
That does hurt.
That's got it.
So I've brought some samples here. But now again, you can get hammers of all sizes. They go up to about 16 pounds. Now that's a lot of weight. And you can bang in nails or you can break concrete or you can do anything with these big hammers. This one is designed for most putting nails in and taking the nails out. You see, you can get the head under in that fork and you can pull the nail out.
oh, I've used it.
You must have already done it before. All of you, that's all, you pull the nail out. But this one's fairly heavy. This is a smaller one with a short handle. But again, watch your fingers. Now this one is one I also bought when I was very young. And I use it for putting in pins. To find, and today you may put a pin in, depending on. There's another one. Ball peen. It's a ball peen hammer. And the reason for that is this is a hammer. This side is a ball peen hammer. So what you can do is you can take a piece of metal and you can shape it with the hammer. And shape it round. I'm going to show you another hammer. Did you bring a picture up?
That's
Yes.
Oh, that's right, you did. Yeah. And you've
Matthew's got one.
Yes.
You've got one. Did you get one?
John?
And
No.
that's, yeah.
Thomas, did you bring one?
Yeah, it's right over there.
Oh, with the fish?
Yeah, the fish.
Oh,
Yes,
wow.
and that's the picture.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know that one's yours. It's
Yes,
very good. I mean, you're a
Jason
fabulous
has one.
artist.
yes.
Yeah, that's good. So we're going to make frames from it. I think a white frame on that fish picture, it's beautiful. Yeah, that one is just going to be fabulous. So, but now you've got to measure. And now we've got a question. I'm going to give it to Neil now. And he's going to tell you how to measure this picture to make the frame. Because you're going to be cutting at a 45-degree angle using the miter box.
miter box.
The miter box.
Last week we cut straight, 90 degrees.
Now we're cutting at 45. And that's to make this piece, yeah. You see? Now this is cut at 45. And then it's joined. And we'll put a little bit of putty in there, a little bit of glue, and you won't see it. But that's, the secret is you've got to cut nice and straight. Go nice and straight. But because of this 45 degree, you've got different size on the outside to the inside. So you've got to work that out.
Yeah.
And that's the trick of measuring. That's why it's so important. You know? We're gonna have a lovely frame for you guys. This is gonna be fabulous. I'm really looking forward to it. Get these out. One each. And then you see, oh, this is the old one. You see the 45 as well?
That's your picture.
Yeah.
You listen and know what we're doing? You'll be listening?
You need some clamps?
I gotta refine it.
Figure out which way is up.
This time, I got
I found the thing.
Okay.
Oh, look,
There we go. Now you line it up with this line here.
Really?
Yeah. And then take them out.
nice and
There you go.
straight.
You ready for the next one? I'll be there in a second.
Keeps popping up, doesn't it?
Let me show you that.
Yeah, cut that.
Look at this. Keep it
Okay.
nice and straight.
You have to give us one piece. We got four. We're gonna have to move it. Okay, here we go. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, good. We'll take this off.
Check with them.
Is that right?
There we go. You want me to check with you?
That's right, it's in the saw there, it's in the blade, so you cut.
That's right here.